guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be playing with this slime. If you hear somebody talking, like a girl talking now, it's just my friend. I'm again at my friend's house again. She's just making a video, also a YouTube video. So don't bother listening. It's just my friend making a YouTube video. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's play the slime. First up, I am going to fold and use my fingers to make little holes. Okay, now you see the little fingers. Fold, fingers. Fold, fingers. Fold, fingers. Do you like it? I think it looks like a curtain being folded up. Not a curtain, but I give a little massage. Throw it around. Boom, 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 boom. I forgot this little piece. Boom, boom. Good. Now I'm gonna make it like a circle and throw it up in the air. Okay. So let's make the circle. Good. Okay, so let's just roll the little thing. I love doing this. It's so fun for me. And then I can throw it. Look. Oh, that was close. Oh, sorry about that. That was a rough throw. Put you guys back. That was rough. Okay, let's pull this apart. Let me just make sure it's the right size. No, a little bit more here. Now a little bit more here. One little piece. Okay, now we have two pieces. We fold both of them. Push, push, push. On top of each other and push. Now I'll make it into an apple. Oh, it's the closest that I can get. No, it just won't work. Oh, it's falling apart. I swear one just fell. Where did it go? Okay, got it. And I'm telling you again, can you please like and subscribe? Please. Okay, I'm not asking for a big goal. I'm just asking, can we get this video to 10 likes in one day? Okay? It's not a lot. I just want 10 likes, please. Thank you. Just 10 likes in one day. Try to do that, okay? It's push, 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 push. Pull. It feels so nice. Look, it's so squishy. Oh yeah, she's just making a Roblox video over there. Okay. Now let's make it flat. Not gonna be super flat. Gotta push it, push it, push it. Push. I want to make a little circle. Let's just take this. Now we have a little circle. Look, a circle. Okay, this video might be a little bit boring, I know. This is a a boring video. I know. Try to get it to 10 likes in one day, please. Thank you. In 10 likes in one day, or 2, or 1 or 2. Not more than 2. Not 3 or 4 or 5. Okay. Let's put this over here. Let's make this shape. So, let's roll it. Whoa. Ugh. This doesn't look nice. This don't look. Let's put it in. Come on. Fit. There we go. Okay. Now we just put all the little pieces inside. Pop. Put this on. There we go. That is all for today. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.